How to import data to Salesforce from Excel with Excel Connector. The ability to mass insert Salesforce records from a spreadsheet is crucial for streamlining data entry, saving time, and increasing admin productivity. With Excel Connector, there's a simple answer to this issue. To create new records in Salesforce, you'll only need a spreadsheet with your data. Let's say we want to upload a list of contacts to our Salesforce org. We will now select values in Excel so that our selection spans across all rows and click Insert in the Excel Connector ribbon. We can insert selected rows or all rows. A dialog box will be displayed. Here, we need to select the object we're loading records into. In this case, the object is Contact. Then, we map our Excel columns to fields in Salesforce by dragging fields from the top table and dropping them on the columns in the bottom table. And you don't need to have all the record IDs when establishing relationships to other records through master detail and lookup fields. Excel Connector will look up the correct records based on name, email, phone number, external ID, or any other text field that has unique values in Salesforce. Now we can click Insert, and contacts will be loaded into Salesforce under the corresponding accounts we've defined on our sheet. Note that Excel Connector provides the ID numbers for the newly created records to the right of your original spreadsheet rows, one column over. In case a record could not be inserted, an error message will also be displayed to the right of the specific row. It's also possible to populate any column or multiple columns with the IDs of the created records right inside of the data, not only in the results area. The insert function and its mappings are saved in the spreadsheet as a flow step, so it can be used to let your team player users update data in Salesforce just by clicking on the Run Flow button. Team player users can then enter new data, for example the information of a new contact or even multiple contacts, and insert it by running the flow. Even non-experienced Excel users can use the flow step, since this means just running a saved flow. We'll see the success message one column over. Watch the complete series of Excel Connector tutorial videos to unlock the full potential of your data management.